Hey there, everyone. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to stake on SpookySwap.fi. It's a popular automated market maker and decentralized exchange in the Fantom network ecosystem that empowers users to stake, yield farm, and swap diversified funds across blockchain ecosystems. The Fantom Opera network has cheap transaction fees, is exceptionally quick, and has one of the most robust DeFi ecosystems out there, typically clocking in the top 10 for total value locked across all blockchains. SpookySwap is one of my go-to decentralized exchanges to interact with, stake funds on to earn passive income, and play around with to better understand this wild world of DeFi due to its easily accessible and digestible user interface. This video is going to walk you through exactly how to stake your funds on SpookySwap to start earning passive income from point A to point Z. I'll tackle yield farming on SpookySwap in a separate video. So before diving right in, if you'd like to see a video on yield farming on SpookySwap or regular videos explaining how to stake and navigate DeFi platforms to earn passive income, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. All right, let's get started. So step one, the first thing you're going to need is a MetaMask wallet, and you're going to head over to metamask.io to create that. I've already created a video on this and how to add the Fantom Opera Chain to your MetaMask wallet in a separate video that I'll link in the description below. This also covers withdrawing FTM Fantom from Binance to your MetaMask wallet, as that is going to be the most straightforward way of transacting on SpookySwap and paying for gas fees. So once again, I've provided that video description below, and this video is going to operate under the assumption that you have your MetaMask wallet with the Fantom Opera Chain already set up. So now that you have some Fantom in your wallet, you're going to want to navigate over to SpookySwap.fi.finance, and you're going to want to connect your wallet to the protocol. So in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see Connect Wallet. You'll just click that, and you can choose from an assortment of wallets that you might use. I use MetaMask just because it is the most popular out there, and it really has served me well over the test of time. So let's click on MetaMask. You're going to need to approve this in your wallet. So you're going to approve the connected site to interact with your MetaMask wallet. It's just taking a second. Next. Now you're going to click connect. You'll see it's connecting the wallet. And now you'll see your MetaMask address or part of it showing up in the upper right-hand corner. All right, now you're ready to get started staking your funds on SpookySwap. So there are really three key steps that you need to execute to successfully stake your funds on SpookySwap. So the first is, after having transferred FTM from Binance or another exchange or wallet to your MetaMask wallet, taking the FTM that you have in your wallet. So here we see we have 56 FTM. So, and then we're going to head over to the swap function. That is the first step. I'll dive into that in a little more depth. The second step, you're going to stake your BOO to receive xBOO, a receipt to later reclaim your rewards. You're going to stake that over at xBOO, and then you're going to stake your BOO in the desired pool. So let's take a look at the first step, which is swapping Fantom for BOO in the swap function. So let's click on swap in the upper left-hand corner. You'll see this is already loaded. I wouldn't concern yourself with market versus limit order. If you're a novice to crypto, market order is going to get your swap filled the fastest and most efficiently. So what we're going to do is let's take 25 Fantom and we'll swap it for BOO. Here you'll see that we'll really receive 3.07. So let's swap that. Click swap. And you're going to need to approve this in your wallet and confirm the transaction. You'll pay a nominal fee for this. So the estimated gas fee is absolutely minuscule. But it's important to always make sure you have additional FTM in your wallet to pay gas fees. So it's just refreshing real quick, confirm. And just keep in mind, if you don't already have BOO in your wallet, you're going to need to add the contract address and import the token. I've also covered that in my previous video that I mentioned. So that should be no problem whatsoever. So we can see this was successful, and we've now swapped Fantom for BOO. So now we're going to head over to stake BOO. This is the staking corner. And what you'll see here are the various steps that you can use. This is not going to focus on Magic Cats at all because I got to be honest, I'm not a massive fan of NFTs, and Magic Cats are kind of a, it's an NFT by the, I think, lead developer of Fantom. NFTs that you can use to kind of boost your earnings in the pool. In general, I'm trying to focus on a bit more sustainable ways that you can earn income and better set yourself up. And I don't truly believe that some of these NFTs are the way to do that. So what we'll do is we're going to stake our BOO down here. You'll see this cat in the hat. And what this does is you stake your BOO and you receive what's called xBOO. xBOO is a receipt to reclaim your BOO and your staking rewards. Okay, so we're going to click stake right here, and you'll see the exchange rate. So 1 xBOO equals 2.105. So now let's choose, I think we did 3.07. So we'll confirm. We'll approve this in our MetaMask wallet. There will also be a tiny staking fee. And from here, we will have received xBOO. So just keep in mind, this is your receipt token to acquire your rewards. So this was successful right up here. Now what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to find the list of staking pools on SpookySwap, which is on the same page directly below, and earn the tokens of your choice. Just a note, they sort things through APR and total value locked as two major metrics. Total value locked, or TVL, is the total value of funds staked by SpookySwap users for that particular asset. So a greater total value locked in the protocol may indicate a healthier token ecosystem or one less likely to be manipulated price-wise, but this has been a contentious metric across the DeFi market. Then you have APR, which is the interest rate that the protocol investors will earn when lending their assets, and does not include compound interest like APY, might accrue during the process. So as you'll see here, the maximum you have is 24.08% APR, and you can see the distribution of how the pool is structured. So you'll see where it's coming from right there. So you'll see it coming from the single token, 15%, and then 8% from BOO APR. So what we're going to do now is we're going to choose the pool that we'd like to stake in. I've interacted on Liquid Driver a bit, so let's choose Liquid Driver just for the sake of this example. So you're going to click here, Earn Liquid Driver, and you're then going to choose Stake. Okay, so here we have xBOO, we have 1.45. So we can do max. Remember, the exchange rate between xBOO and BOO is not at a 1-to-1 ratio. So 1.45 xBOO equals 3.07 BOO. So don't get worried that you've been, you've had funds taken out. It's still the same amount. It's just simply a receipt. Think of it the way that you go to a store and you reclaim a rebate. You reclaim a discount. So we're going to click confirm. In the right-hand corner, you're going to approve in your MetaMask wallet. Confirm. And this should be showing up shortly. Here we go. So as we'll see, you have 6.86 US dollars, which is staked, aka 1.4582 xBOO or 3.07 BOO. You'll see your rewards accrued here, which you can harvest your rewards at any point that you'd like. So this is a strategy that a lot of people use in DeFi to reinvest back into your initial stake, since it's not auto compounding. diversify into another stake, potentially add to a yield farm, swap for another token on SpookySwap, or maybe you just want to hold the token in your MetaMask wallet or transfer it to an exchange to trade for another cryptocurrency, a centralized exchange. So a lot of people will employ a strategy where they harvest their rewards weekly, monthly, bi-monthly, and kind of use it as a way to pay themselves dividends with this. A common question I get is how often should I harvest my SpookySwap staking rewards, or just staking rewards in general? I just want to say there's no need to harvest every single day. However, some savvy decentralized exchange users manually harvest and reinvest those earnings every single day to accelerate auto compound growth. A word of warning: make sure that your harvest frequency makes sense for you gas fee wise. You are going to be paying gas fees every time that you harvest, because you don't want to be paying gas fees that are disproportionate to the stake that you hold. So, for example, if you're staking a smaller amount of xBOO, the gas fee may eat into your profit more than you'd like. Keep in mind that harvesting your staking rewards does not unstake your xBOO, which we'll just wrap up with below. So right here, you'll see there's the unstake button. So should you want to remove your xBOO stake from SpookySwap and convert your xBOO back to FTM or another asset, or withdraw to another exchange or wallet, you can click unstake your xBOO. And right here, we'll unstake 1.45. And we'll confirm this in the MetaMask wallet for a small fee. As you can see with these fees, small fees, no matter how small, they can add up over a period of time, especially if you're dealing in smaller denominations. So as you can see, we just removed this from the staking pool, which was earning liquid driver. And just remember, xBOO is a receipt pegged at the specific ratio to SpookySwap's governance token BOO. So you'll receive BOO after unstaking your xBOO, which we just go right up here, click unstake, and we're going to unstake our xBOO. So this will convert right back to BOO. And from there, once it registers, it successfully goes through. So now we have our BOO. You can go swap it back for FTM or other tokens that you prefer to invest in, or maybe you need to move something around. Anyways, that's all I have for today. So if you enjoyed this video, I would just ask that you like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any projects in the Fantom ecosystem that you would like to see a video made on. Thanks, everybody, and I hope you have a great day. Take care.